color right here. And for the most part, I'm tapping it in, like building the product in there instead of just rubbing it. So then we're gonna take this color right here. Then we're gonna take this black color out of our palette and build it right here. So now I'm gonna blend my concealer and I'll be back. I'm going to take my setting powder. So while we let this bake, I'm going to put on my liquid eyeliner. Okay, so now we're gonna put on our lashes. So now we're gonna dust off the bake. Then we're gonna take that burgundy that we used up here and we're just gonna, and that's the same burgundy that we already used. We're also gonna take some eyeliner and this eyeliner that I'm using is from the hair store. Honestly, it's just some regular black eyeliner. And what else I like to do, because I throw a lot of powder on and stuff, I like to take my mascara brush and go through my hairs on my eyeliner, you know. Then we're also gonna get our bottom lashes, cause you know, like, bitch, yes. Then we're gonna go in my lipstick bag. Shout out to my RL sister for giving this to me a long time ago. I mean, I'm not in the group anymore, but shout out to her for giving it to me because I do love it. Let's see what lip gloss we're gonna use today. I'm stuck in between this purple and this black, but I think we're gonna throw it off with a purple. Here it is. Hope you guys like it.